Alright, so this is just an unboxing of the Coros Apex 2 Pro watch. I ordered it from REI. Shipping, it actually got here in a couple of days, so I was pretty surprised at the shipping, but anyway, we'll unbox this and see what it looks like. So I'm hoping that this will help like with tracking, so I'm not having to deal with my watch like crashing and stuff where I've been having that problem. So I'm hoping that this will help with tracking and stuff like that, so I'm not using my phone, and so maybe my phone won't overheat and we'll actually get a more accurate track, and I can hopefully do like waypoints and stuff to show where actually the campsites are and create custom maps. So yeah, we'll see how this is boxed up here. Hopefully I don't need a knife. Discover potential. All right. Okay, so it's got a tab on each side. Now what? Well, that's satisfying. Nice branding on the top of the box. Hopefully I'm paying more than just branding. Hopefully this is a quality watch. So this is all the product safety, quick start guide. Oh, sticker. Oh, another sticker. You know, you guys know me, I love stickers. We got support stuff. I don't know what that is, but anyway, all that comes in this handy dandy little thing here. And then here is the watch itself. Alright, so you can see, got the gray nylon band. Thing in the middle. That down in there. Okay, how does this undo? Alright, so now the question is, how do we power this thing on? If it even has, oh. So I don't know. Okay, English. Hopefully y'all can see that. Maybe I should. Okay. Scan with Coros app to connect. Oh, of course, I have to go get my phone. Alright, so I kind of skipped some steps. I had to download the app and go through and set up an account and all that through the Coros app. Allow. So, and I was able to scan the QR code finally once I did all that. So now I just gotta follow the instructions. Definitely left wrist. Choose direction of the dial. That would be right. Yep. Next. What? Choose your daily active calories goal. Okay, well we'll go for that. I don't know. We'll try to be ambitious. Okay, choose your activities. Hiking for sure. I'm not track running. I might do trail running, I don't know. Definitely not running. Not that, not that, no. I wonder if they have a thing for backpacking. Strength, jump rope. I wonder what multi-sport is. I don't know. Oh, walk. I had that. I'm watching you sort those. Okay, anyway. So set sleep time. What? Don't care about that. Don't care about that. Don't care about that. Don't care about that. I guess all the rest of that would be fine. No, that. I don't care about that. Okay. It was a brand new watch and there's a firmware update. Oh my goodness. It seems to be going pretty quickly though. So I was just sitting here like reading through everything, and I was reading through this and it mentioned having a charge cable. And I was like, wait, I didn't see a charge cable. So I went back in the box and I looked at the bottom and like it's this little box right here. So anyway, like I would have completely missed that. Okay. And it is a specialty connection. And it's on the back of the watch too. So I mean, I guess that makes sense. So that way if you do have it in the water, it won't get in the connection. But you're supposed to be able to wear this swimming, so I don't know. Maybe that don't affect that. Maybe it's water sealed. We will continue to wait. But I like that they included stickers. I mean, I really like stickers. They got this Explorer Perfection and Coros. So I think that should be all of the packaging now. It's everything that comes in the box. So pretty simplistic. Not too much waste anyway. But video again once this thing's, it's like 70% so far. Set up for the watch. So as I'm already getting text on there. So yeah, you can go in, I mean there's like a ton of settings. So you can create maps on here by going to the Explore tab. So any maps you create go in this folder. I don't know what that did. Okay. And so I'm going for a day hike tomorrow. So I've routed a couple of options because we're not really sure where we're going to go. So click on that. It shows you the loop, and it also shows you the profile with the elevation gain and loss, which is pretty cool. I hope that's really accurate. But I like that you can have the route and see the elevation on there. I'm assuming that if you track the activity, it'll show the elevation on the watch, but I don't know. Like I haven't used it on trail yet, so I was going to use it, just walk around the block this evening just to see how it does. But yeah, and you can go in your profile and your settings and set up like all kinds of different stuff. And a minute ago I found, so you click on that and you can change like your watch face, your data screens. That's where you can see your routes, map manager, find your device, which I've already done, like, so it starts beeping. So you can see I've kind of customized my watch face already with the little outdoorsy looking one. Okay, that's enough of that. And I just kind of mash on that middle side button to make it stop. Yeah, so I mean, there's just all kinds of settings. So like I say, we'll see how this does on the trail, see if this is more accurate. Maybe it won't burn my phone up and I won't have to deal with the whole like issue with the mileage being off. And hopefully I'm going to try to do some research and see if I can actually add like waypoints and stuff, because I know on the trails tomorrow that we're planning on doing, there's backcountry sites, so I'm hoping that I can drop waypoints for each site and start putting pictures and create maps to give y'all a little bit more data and information that's accurate. It's not just like, well, it's somewhere between 9 and 9.5, because sometimes when you're tired, just another half mile just seems ridiculous. But anyway, excited to see how this goes. Hopefully it's better than the Suunto, because I had this Suunto Alpha Traverse watch and it lasted less than a year and their customer service was non-existent. So here is hoping that Coros and their associated customer service is a lot better. I mean, it's going to have to be pretty bad to surpass Sunto's lack of customer service. But yeah, so we'll see. But I just wanted to get at least an unboxing to kind of show y'all the watch and everything. So you can see, I mean, like, I was afraid it was going to be really big on my wrist, but it's not too bad. Like, it don't stick up, like, super tall. I still think it's going to be, like, wanting to snag on my pack straps, but there's no way around that. And the wristband is pretty comfortable. I've got it pretty tight. I'll probably need to loosen it up, but, you know, it's pretty easy to adjust. Kind of curious how that's going to do in getting wet and stuff. But like I said, we'll just see how it goes, and hopefully it lasts for a long time. But I'll definitely do an update video once I get to use it, and to do some, you know, routing and, you know, tracking and stuff like that. So, and there's even like workouts built into the watch. I don't know how that works, but we'll see. So anyway, that's the unboxing of the Coros Apex 2 Pro. See y'all next time.